Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to open desktop mode in your Android. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, simply open your Chrome application. So here at the top corner there are three horizontal lines. First we will open Google. So if you want to open desktop mode, so you will simply tap on three dotted line at the top corner. So here is the option, third last option is of desktop site. You will simply tap on it. So your desktop site will be open. So if you want to untick it, you will simply tap on it and your Android site will be open. So this was the simple process of opening the desktop mode in your smartphone. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.